So, you know what? I want to talk a little bit about the fact that not all of us are ever perfect ever. And so, in this particular situation, we have come across a bit of a screw up that our team has made. It was really clearly put on the plans from the city. And, you know me, I will bitch and complain about rules, regulations, and policy until I'm blue in the face. But when it comes to safety, you're not going to hear me complain too much. Here, the issue that we have is you really can't have back-to-back penetrations in a party wall. Now, what's a party wall, you ask, Erik? Okay, a party wall is a wall that is between two suites, right? So this is, like right now I'm standing in the primary dwelling unit. On the other side of that wall is the basement suite or secondary dwelling unit. And the way that we designed it to simplify the plumbing was to have the two bathroom groups back to back so that life would be easy. And of course, we designed the drains and everything else, just not knowing at the time, quite honestly with you, that we needed to make sure that realistically our drains and our shower valves were on the other walls, right? Because we put the shower valves, just again, trying to simplify things, put everything right here. So we have a tub in this bathroom, and literally on the other side of this wall is a mirror version of this exact same bathroom. Unfortunately, it was called out by our plumber apparently, so I'm told. What was built is what was on the drawings, but there was literally a note on the drawings from the city saying you cannot have back-to-back penetrations. And so ultimately what we're going to end up having to do is relocate the shower valves either to the wall here or reverse it onto the other side. I don't know what the final solution is ultimately going to be here. We've internally been discussing a bunch of different solutions and how we're going to go about it. But nonetheless, we messed up. We made a mistake. We're going to make it right. And we learn. And now you've learned too. If you are doing a basement suite, make sure you have read the drawings and make sure that you are thinking about any sort of party walls and any sort of penetrations, right? Like realistically, you really don't want to have any penetrations on party walls. There's two reasons for that, by the way. You have to achieve two things. You have to have fireproofness, a fire rating basically, and then you also have to have an STC rating or a sound transfer coefficient. And so as soon as you have a shower valve in this wall, there is no STC rating for a shower valve. It's effectively zero. Right off the bat, like there's an STC rating that has to be here. Now you could argue whether or not that's an important something to have. It's not safety related, it's comfort related. So I'm not sure how important that is to have. I'm gonna leave that as it is. Nonetheless, that's the current rules and we gotta abide by them. The other piece, which is important, is fire separation. And obviously if you have a penetration in this wall, if there's a fire in this suite, if there's a penetration here, that fire could theoretically make its way through that valve and to the other side. I don't know. I mean, personally, I haven't seen a lot of metal burn, but I guess, you know, maybe there's a way, and tile doesn't burn very easily either. So it would have to be a bit of a raging inferno in here in order for the fire to jump through this. But I don't know a lot about fire. I'm not a firefighter. Maybe I should do an interview with a firefighter and get myself more educated with how fire moves. I know a little bit about it, but I'm not going to admit that I'm a professional by any stretch of the imagination. I know what we need to do. And anyways, so problem, going to get fixed. We move on.